This is the Bosch hand tool 108 kit. So the box is made of plastic and quite sturdy. There is a lock here. Let's open it up. Good arrangement of tools. Okay, you get a manual with this one. Shows how to use the products and what all things you get inside this box. Okay, so let's start with the wrench here. Such a small cute wrench you have here, and there's good and bad to this product. Good thing is you can carry this around in your pocket. It's very lightweight and it's well built, but the problem here is you may not get the leverage you want with this product, so you may have to apply a lot of pressure to get this thing going when you work with this one. So that's a bad thing about this one. So when you talk about the build quality, it's well molded and the fit, each one fits perfectly inside. So there are some points where the build quality is not nice. See, especially here, this is a dent you can see. So this thing worries me quite a lot. Only few places, otherwise it's a very good box, quite sturdy, good quality plastic. Okay, so you have here a flat nose player, nothing special about it, and combination player, yeah, like this. And you have flashlight, quite bright LED flashlight. You have to use 3 AAA battery, nice arrangement of batteries. So better use rechargeable AAA batteries because this thing sucks a lot of power. And very sharp cutter. It's nice, huh? And the claw hammer, heaviest in the box. Very well built, feels premium in the hand, and quite useful. And you have a measuring tape which is 3 meter long, comes with lock, you can lock it, and 2 switches here which also can be used to lock. You have tested here, and it feels quite cheap. I don't think it's made by Bosch. And you can replace the light inside if you want. You can open it here and you can replace it. I didn't like that one. That feels cheap. And you have a insulation tape here. It's 10 meter long. It's very useful. You have screws here with tall plugs. It's exactly 30 in number. 30 screws and tall plugs. Nicely arranged in place. It's really nice. And drill bits, 3 drill bits here. And let's see. Okay, we have some sockets. So you have my personal favorite, ratchet screwdriver. So here is the adapter. You can use the adapter and you can use any socket you want with this adapter. So that's more like it. It's really easy to use, fits in place really nicely and no problem. And this ratchet screwdriver has nice function. It goes clockwise, and if you turn the knob, it goes anti-clockwise. it won't go the other way unless you turn this, then it will go clockwise. If you turn this again, it will go anti-clockwise. So that's really nice function. Okay, different sockets, you get 6 number, so with adapter. And here also you have screwdriver bits. Okay, and here you have the adapter. So put the adapter in place and take out the screwdriver bit, and you can use it. Okay, you can use it along with this one. So that's really nice. And precision drive bits. Yeah, so this is how you use the adapter with precision screwdriver bits. Okay, that's really nice. And you have here hand saw. This one feels very cheap actually, not of very much use. It's very small blade and it's not suitable for cutting heavy woods or heavy plastic materials. Just for, you can use it on plywood and small plastic things. If you break the blade, you have to buy exactly the same blade from Bosch, otherwise you cannot use this anymore. So that's a bit disappointing. And you have Allen keys here, different sizes of Allen keys. That's very nice. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Okay, very useful item for household users. So that's Bosch 108 hand screw box for you.